Hey guys, in this video I show you how to use solder pot to desoldering the electronic components from old circuit board, to use them to making new circuit or repairing some electronic devices using old components. Here I have this solder pot from China for about 16 bucks. There are different sizes and different power rating. There are different applications for this solder pot, such as metal casting, wire soldering, battery cable lugs, tin coating, and desoldering electronic components. First of all, let's see how much power this solder pot consumes. As you can see, the power consumption is 12 watt when I set this knob to minimum, and about 200 watt when I set it to maximum. Let's open it. This solder pot used triac dimmer to adjust the temperature, but there are no temperature sensor as a feedback. The ground wire connected to the metal body perfectly. First, I filled the pot by solder wire. It's better to use lead rod, but I can't find it in my country. But you have to use solder wire without the flux, because it produces a lot of toxic fumes. I put about 600 grams of solder wire in the pot and turns on the switch. After about 7 minutes, the molten metal are ready to use. You have to set a suitable temperature, because high temperature can damage the sensitive components such as IC and the transistor. These processes are very easy and faster than using desoldering suction pump. I extract a lot of electronic components from old circuit board, and know I can use them in other projects. The temperature was about 120 degrees when I set the knob to minimum, and more than 450 degrees as maximum temperature. Thanks for watching.